I think most people, they don't know that I am a spiritual person.
Gentil posing nk'abakobwa nawe gusa. Gentil.
The nigga.
No, we gotta see
This is the
we gotta see the build up. 2, 2, 2, 4. The end result.
Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How are you?
Gimbo, move up. Hey. You have surpassed his face. And amen.
You're talking to that thing?
Yeah, I talk to Gimbo.
Shut down.
Wait. It cannot. If I say Gimbo shut down, it is going to shut down.
Don't shut it down.
Too hard to handle when eyes will follow where you go at night, and it's by your side, surprising which it was me. And if I see you at the movies, we went blind to get so sexy. I'll cross your mind as you pass me by. I hope you see me in your dreams. I wanna put you on a pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How are you? How are you? Incredible, a glamorous spectacle. No one's terrible, 'cause I used to.
This is called holder, and you need screws to screw it. Don't have to think of it down.
Why do you want to scream?
I don't know.
Pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How